Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great today, thank you. I slept so well last night. My bed was so comfortable. And you, Jake?
I am good, but a little tired. I was looking at hotels online last night for my trip to visit Anna. I want to find the perfect hotel, and I looked at too many options.
Too many options? That is a nice problem to have. Did you find one?
I found a few, but all the words on the website confused me. Single room, double room, check-in time. I wasn't sure what everything meant.
Well, that is perfect because today we are going to the hotel in English.
Oh, hotel words?
Yes, today we are learning all the English words you need when you stay at a hotel, from booking a room to checking out.
This is exactly what I need right now. Let's go.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. So, Jake, imagine this. You are traveling, you arrive in a new city. It is evening, you are tired, you need a place to sleep. Where do you go?
To a hotel.
Yes, and at a hotel, you need to know some important words. Let me start with the first group, the places inside a hotel.
Hotel places. I am ready.
When you walk into a hotel, the first room you see is the lobby. L-O-B-B-Y. Lobby.
Lobby? What is a lobby?
The lobby is the big open room when you enter the hotel. It's the entrance area. Usually there are chairs, maybe a sofa, sometimes plants and art. It's the first thing you see.
So the lobby is like the living room of the hotel.
Yes, that is a lovely way to describe it. The living room of the hotel. Everyone walks through the lobby.
I see. And where do I go in the lobby?
You go to the front desk. The front desk is a long counter in the lobby. A person works there. This is where you check in, ask questions, and get your key.
The front desk, like the check-in counter at the airport.
Exactly. Same idea. You walk up to the front desk and say hello.
What is the person at the front desk called?
We can call them the receptionist, or you can just say the person at the front desk. Both are fine.
Front desk, receptionist. Got it.
Good. After you check in at the front desk, you need to go to your room. But first, you take the elevator. E-L-E-V-A-T-O-R. Elevator.
The elevator, the box that goes up and down.
Yes. You press the button, the doors open, you walk in, you press the number of your floor, the elevator takes you up.
What is a floor?
A floor is a level in the building. Floor 1, floor 2, floor 3. Your room is on a floor. If your room number is 305, you are on floor 3.
Oh, so the first number tells me the floor. Room 305 is on floor 3. Room 712 is on floor 7.
You got it. Very smart.
And then I walk down the hallway to find my room?
Yes, a hallway is the long walking space with doors on each side. You walk down the hallway, you look at the numbers on the doors, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305. That is your room.
Find the elevator, go to my floor, walk down the hallway, find my room number. Easy.
Now, group 2, the important items at a hotel.
What do I need?
The most important thing is your key card. A key card is a small plastic card. It looks like a credit card. You use it to open your room door.
A card? Not a real key?
Most hotels today use key cards. You hold the card near the door handle, you hear a click, the door opens. Some old hotels still use real keys, but most use cards now.
Hold the card, hear the click, open the door. I like that. Very modern.
And be careful with your key card. If you lose it, go to the front desk. They will give you a new one.
I lose things all the time. I will put it in my wallet. Safe place.
Good idea. Now, before you arrive at the hotel, you usually book a room. Book means you plan ahead. You choose a hotel, you choose a date, you pay, and the hotel saves a room for you.
Book a room, like buying a ticket before a movie?
Yes, and when you book, the hotel creates a reservation. 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 A reservation is your booking. It means the hotel has a room ready for you.
So when I arrive, I say, I have a reservation.
Exactly. You walk to the front desk and say, "Hello, I have a reservation. My name is Jake." They will find your name and give you your room.
I have a reservation. My name is Jake. That sounds very professional.
It does. Now, when you book, you need to choose the type of room. A single room has one bed for one person. A double room has a bigger bed or two beds for two people.
I am traveling alone, so I need a single room.
Yes, and sometimes you will see twin room. A twin room has two small beds in one room. Good for friends traveling together.
Single for one person, double for two, twin for two beds. I think I understand now. No more confusion on the website.
Good. Now let me teach you the hotel actions. What do you do at a hotel?
Sleep, eat, watch TV?
Yes, all of those. But let me teach you the important action words first. Number 1, check in.
Check in. We learned this word at the airport, too.
Yes, same word. At a hotel, check-in means you arrive and get your room. You go to the front desk, you give your name, you show your passport or ID, and they give you your key card.
So check in at the airport means I am ready to fly, and check in at the hotel means I am ready to stay.
Exactly. And the opposite is check out. Check out means you are leaving. You are done with your stay. You go to the front desk, you return your key card, and you pay if you need to.
Check in, I arrive. Check out, I leave. What time do I check out?
Great question. Every hotel has a checkout time. Usually it is around 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. You can ask, "What time is checkout?" and they will tell you.
What time is checkout? I will ask that when I arrive. I don't want to be late.
And if you need more time, you can ask, "Can I have a late checkout?" Sometimes they say yes.
Can I have a late checkout? Very useful. I'm not a morning person.
I know, Jake. Now, another important action, stay. When someone asks, "Where are you staying?" they mean, "What hotel are you at?" You can say, "I am staying at the Grand Hotel." Stay means you sleep there. You live there for a short time.
I am staying at a hotel near the city center. That sounds natural.
Very natural. And one more, order room service. Room service means the hotel brings food to your room. You don't go to the restaurant. You call the front desk, you say what you want, and someone brings it to your door.
They bring food to my room? That sounds amazing.
It is. You can say, "Can I order room service, please? I would like a sandwich and some orange juice."
A sandwich and orange juice delivered to my room. I love hotels.
Now, let me teach you some very useful phrases, sentences you will use every time you visit a hotel.
My favorite part. Give me the phrases.
Phrase 1. When you arrive, "I have a reservation under the name Jake." Under the name means the reservation is in your name. Very polite, very clear.
I have a reservation under the name Jake. They will find me right away.
Next one. If you need something for your room, you can call the front desk. For example, "Can I have an extra towel, please?" A towel, Towel, the soft cloth you use after a shower.
Can I have an extra towel, please? What about an extra pillow?
Same sentence. "Can I have an extra pillow, please?" You can ask for extra towels, extra pillows, extra blankets, anything.
Can I have an extra everything, please? Extra towels, extra pillows, extra blankets. I want all of them.
Everything. That is a big request. You want the whole hotel inside your little room.
I just want to be comfortable when I travel. Is that too much to ask?
Here's another important one. Is breakfast included?
Included means it comes with the room. You don't pay extra. Some hotels give you free breakfast, some don't.
Is breakfast included? If yes, I am very happy. If no, I bring my own food.
You bring your own food?
Maybe a banana from home and some bread. You know me, Judy. I like to save money.
That is smart. And one more. If something in your room doesn't work, you can call the front desk. Maybe the light doesn't turn on, or the TV, or the air conditioning. Just say, something in my room isn't working. Can someone help me?
Something in my room isn't working. Very clear. No need to explain the problem in detail.
You can also say what it is. The air conditioning isn't working, or the TV isn't turning on. But even something isn't working is enough. They will send someone to help.
Good, because sometimes I don't know the English word for the broken thing.
And that is totally fine. Just describe it. The thing on the wall, the box that makes cold air. People will understand. Now let's put it all together. A role play. Jake, you are arriving at a hotel for your trip. I will be the receptionist at the front desk. Ready?
Ready. I just got off the plane. I'm tired but excited.
Welcome to the City Garden Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Jake.
Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation. A single room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. 3 nights.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Your room is 408. That is on floor 4. Here is your key card.
Room 408, floor 4. Thank you. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
11 a.m. And one more question. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. It is in the restaurant on floor 1 from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Floor 1, 7 to 10. I will be there at 9:59.
We will save you a table. The elevator is on your right. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. I walk to the elevator, I press 4, the doors close. Ding! Floor 4. I walk down the hallway, 405, 406, 407, 408. I hold my key card near the door. Click! The door opens. I walk in. The room is clean and warm. I put my bag down. I look out the window. I smile.
And that is a perfect hotel check-in. You used all the words: reservation, front desk, passport, key card, floor, checkout, breakfast included.
I feel like a real traveler now.
And you are a real traveler. The hotel is your home when you travel, and when you know the words, it feels comfortable, like your own apartment.
My own apartment with room service and clean towels every day.
And here's one last tip. If you are nervous, write down a few sentences on your phone before you arrive. I have a reservation, my name is Jake, what time is checkout? Just having the words ready makes you feel calm.
Write it down, read it at the front desk. Nobody will know I prepared.
And even if they do, they will think you are very organized, very prepared.
Organized and prepared. I like those words. That's me at the hotel.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about English for the hotel.
Yes, first the places, lobby, front desk, elevator, floor, and hallway.
Good. Then the items: key card, reservation, single room, double room, and towel.
And then the actions: check in, check out, book, stay, and order room service.
And finally, useful phrases for any hotel visit.
I have a reservation. What time is checkout? Is breakfast included? Can I have an extra towel?
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
I loved talking about this with you. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is one thing you always look for when you choose a hotel? A nice bed, a good breakfast, free Wi-Fi?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.